Good afternoon, students. So, unexpectedly due to this pandemic, you all have been far away from your serious learning environment, is it? So, I hope these sessions are giving you or putting you on track for your JEE preparation. Today in this session, we will be learning about differential equations, solve some problems on differential equations which are frequently asked in JEE Mains. First, we will discuss some problems on order and degree of differential equations, and then on the formation of the differential equations, and then we will go to the types of methods of differential equations. So, first let us see, you all know about order and degree of a differential equation. Whenever we are finding the order and degree of a differential equation, we need to be careful about the radicals and the fractional powers in that question. So, your first question is, if m and n are degree and order of differential equation, 1 plus y1 square to the power 2 by 3 equal to y2, then you have to find out the value of m plus n by m minus n. So, because here you have 2 by 3 a fractional power, you have to remove that. So, we cube both sides, y1 square to the power square equal to y2 cube. Now, clearly you can find out the order, which is 2, and degree is 3. Degree is the highest power raised for the differential coefficient. So, now m is the degree and n is the order. So, 3 plus 2 equal by 3 minus 2, which is equal to 5. This is a simple question only to freshen you about the order and degree. Now, the second question is, the differential equation that represents the family of parabolas having axis of symmetry coincident with the axis of x. Here it is important that only when you know the equation of the parabola whose axis of symmetry are coincident, you can find out the solution. So, hope in your parabola chapter you have learnt about this. Y square equal to 4a into x minus h equal to 0 equal to 4a into x minus h is the equation. So, here we have two arbitrary constants. So, we have to differentiate it twice. Differentiating it once, this is 2y dy by dx equal to 4ax will give us 4a, this is constant 0. Y dy by dx will be equal to 2a. Two constants, you have to differentiate it once more. So, differentiating it again using your product rule, y dy by dx d square y by dx square plus dy by dx into derivative of y is again dy by dx. So, whole square equal to 0. This is the equation which is required. That is your second option, y2 plus y1 square equal to 0. In this problem, you have the combination of the formation as well as the order and degree of the differential equation. The sum of order and degree of the differential equation representing the family of curves y square equal to 2c into x plus root c, where c is the parameter. You are having only one parameter, so you can differentiate it only once. 2y dy by dx is equal to 2c, or y dy by dx equal to c. So, now the differential equation will be substituting the c in the equation, 2cx. So, instead of c I am multiplying this 2xy dy by dx, and this is 2c to the power 3 by 2, c root c. So, this is y dy by dx to the power 3 by 2. Again, like in the similar last problem, we have to remove this fractional power. So, y square minus 2xy dy by dx whole square, I am squaring both sides. So, this becomes 4 into y dy by dx whole cube. So, order is first order differential equation, but the power here is 3 the highest. So, order is 1 and degree is 3. We require the sum of order and degree. So, it is 1 plus 3, 4. So, like this you can have mixed concepts also in your problems. The next problem is differential equation whose solution is y equal to cx plus c minus c cube. This is a simple question. I have chosen this question to tell you only to guide you that when you take this equation y equal to cx plus c minus c cube, dy by dx will be equal to c. Seeing the options, you just jump into conclusion that this is the right option. But remember, for formation of differential equations, you have to remove that arbitrary constant c. So, you have to substitute this in the equation to get this differential equation plus dy by dx minus dy by dx whole cube. So, while attempting your answers in your JEE Mains, try to be cautious with these bits when you are solving. Now, coming to the types of differential equations, you know that you have several types of differential equations. We will solve some problems on these methods. The first one is equation of the curve through the point 1 comma 0, which satisfies the differential equation 1 plus y square into dx minus xy dy equal to 0. 1 plus y square dx minus xy dy equal to 0. Now, you know that first try to write down dy by dx and see in which type of differential equation this comes under. Looking at this, I think if I write this as 1 plus y square dx, this is variable separable method. So, we can bring all the y terms to one side, y by 1 plus y square dy equal to dx by x. To get the solution, we integrate this, and you know that the integral of this is derivative of the denominator is in the numerator. So, this is half log 1 plus y square. This is log x. And because this is indefinite integration, we put a constant c. Let me put it as log c because we have log terms on either side. Now, this is log of 1 plus y square equal to log x plus log c is log cx, and I have brought this to this side. So, this is 1 plus y square equal to c square x square. This is the solution. But you are asked to find out when it passes through 1 comma 0. These are called initial value problems. So, when you are given this condition, that means when x is 1, y is 0. Substitute this to get the constant value c. Now, if we substitute y equal to 0 here, this is c square, x square is 1. So, the equation of the curve will be 1 plus y square equal to c square is 1, x square. This is the solution of the differential equation satisfying the initial value condition 1 comma 0. So, all the problems appear to be easy when compared to other chapters in differential equations, but only thing you should be clear to understand under what type this differential equation comes. Let us see the second one. Given that slope of tangent to the curve y equal to y of x at the point is 2x by y square. What is 2x by y square? It is the slope of the tangent, and you have already learned that slope of the tangent is given by dy by dx. So, instead of giving you the direct differential equation here, it has been given in words. You should be able to write the differential equation. This is again simple. This is y square dy equal to 2x dx, variable separable method. You can integrate and find the solution. Sorry, the problem is my 2y by x square. So 1 by 2y dy equal to dx by x square, or let me take this to this side only. So 1 by y dy equal to 2 dx by x square. When we are integrating this, it is log y equal to minus 2 by x. 1 by x square is 1 by x plus c, x to the power minus n formula. Now the condition here, in the previous problem you have been given the point 1 comma 0, but here the condition is the curve passes through the center of the circle. So you should know how to write the center of the circle from the given equation. It is minus g minus f. So here you have minus 2 as 2g. So your center will be 1 comma 1. This is your initial value now. Substituting that, log 1 is 0, minus 2 plus c. So c value is 2. The equation of the curve becomes log y equal to minus 2 by x plus 2. Seeing your options, you have it in the terms of 2x minus 1. So bring this x this side, x log y equal to, if I take 2 common, it is plus x minus 1. X log y equal to 2 into x minus 1. It is the third option. In the next one, the x-intercept of the tangent to the curve is equal to the ordinate of the point of contact. Here you should know three terms. What is x-intercept, what is tangent to a curve, and what is the ordinate of the point. As you all know, equation to the tangent of the curve, say at some point px comma y, if I am writing, I can write the equation of the tangent as y minus y equal to slope is given by dy by dx into x minus x. Now if I want the x-intercept of this tangent, the y should be equal to 0. So putting y equal to 0, I get minus y equal to dy by dx into x minus x. From this I should find the x-intercept. So what is x-intercept here? X minus x is, if I bring this side, this is minus y dx by dy, or x is given by x minus y dx by dy. We have got the x-intercept. Then the problem is the x-intercept is equal to the ordinate. What is the ordinate in the point of contact? It is the y. So y equal to x minus y dx by dy. This is the differential equation. So here the differential equation is not given, but you should be able to frame this differential equation. This is important. You can solve the differential equation easily, but getting to this step, you should be careful. Now, bring this y dx by dy to the left side. Y dx by dy equal to x minus y, or dx by dy is equal to x minus y by y, or write it as dy by dx equal to y by x minus y. Which type of differential equation is this? Yes, it is homogeneous differential equation. So for homogeneous, we use the substitution y equal to vx. So dy by dx will be equal to v plus x dv by dx. Substituting v plus x dv by dx is equal to y is vx by x minus vx. X gets cancelled and we get v by 1 minus v. So x dv by dx will be equal to v by 1 minus v, which is v minus v plus v square by 1 minus v. If we simplify that, x dv by dx is equal to v square by 1 minus v. Again, this is variable separable method. Bring the terms to one side. 1 minus v by v square dv equal to dx by x. Integrating, 1 by v square is minus 1 by v minus This is v by v square is 1 by v and integral of 1 by v is log v equal to log x, and let me, because we have all negative signs, let me take the constant to be equal to minus c. If I bring this term to the other side, log x plus log v, which I can write it as log vx, log a plus log b. Then this c to the other side, c minus 1 by v. V is, y is vx, so v will be y by x. Log y by x, xx will get cancelled, log y equal to c minus 1 by v will be x by y. What is the initial condition given here? It passes through 1 comma 1. So if I am substituting x1, y1, I should get the value of c from this. Log 1 is 0, c minus 1, so c equal to 1. Though the equation will become now, the equation to the curve is log y equal to c minus x by y or log y equal to 1 minus x by y. This is your solution. But look at your options. You don't have this option. That means you need to simplify more. Log y can be written as y equal to e to the power 1 minus x by y. And again still, this e to the power minus xy should be written as e to the power 1 by e to the power x by y. Bring this e to the power x by y to the RHS, LHS. So you get y e to the power x by y equal to e. This is your solution. So once getting the solution by substituting is not enough. Depending on the options given, you have to further simplify your options to get the required answer. The next problem is, let y equal to y of x be the solution of the differential equation y square minus x into dy by dx equal to 1. This is, if I write dy by dx, this will be 1 by y square minus x. It is neither variable separable method, not a homogeneous method, I cannot solve it, but somewhat looks like linear equation, but in this case I cannot separate it. So I should write this as dx by dy equal to y square minus x. Okay. So dx by dy is y square minus x. Now this can be written as dx by dy minus the x will come this side plus x equal to y square. This is a linear equation in x. Here the function is 1. So p of y equal to 1, q of y equal to y square. General linear equation form in dx by dy this is. Integrating factor we will find out, which is e to the power p of y dy. E to the power 1 dy, which is equal to e to the power y. So the solution of the differential equation will be given by x into integrating factor, which is e to the power y, equal to integral of q of y, which is y square, into e to the power y dy. Do you know any simple method to write the integral of this? Actually we use the product rule 2 times here. So when you have a polynomial here, you can write it first function, derivative of that with a negative sign, plus again derivative of this with a positive sign. So whenever you have a polynomial, you can do this with the exponential function. So xey is given by this curve. Now here the initial condition is y of 0 equal to 1, x equal to 0 and y equal to 1. Be careful when you are taking these initial conditions. Now x is 0, so this becomes 0, y is 1, so this is e, 1 minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0, so e plus c, 0 equal to e plus c, or c value is minus e. So, our equation becomes x e to the power y equal to e to the power y into y square minus 2y plus 2 minus e. But what is asked here? The curve intersects the x-axis at a point and you have to find out the value of the abscissa. So, the curve intersects x-axis means y equal to 0. Put y equal to 0 and find the value of abscissa means x. So, if you put y equal to 0, this is x equal to e to the power 0, 1, 0 minus 0 plus 2 minus e. So, x value is 2 minus e. This is your abscissa 2 minus e. This problem is little typical. When you come across this problem in your question paper, I think you will not get idea that this is the question from the chapter differential equations, because you don't find anything concerned with differential equation in that question. So, it is the normal lines for a given curve at each point pass through 2, 0. The curve passes through 2, 3, then the equation of the curve is the normal lines. Just as we have wrote in the second example, equation of the tangent, we can write equation of the normal for a curve when we know the slope dy by dx. So, equation of the normal is minus 1 by m, slope of the normal will be minus 1 by m of, because m is the slope of the tangent, into x minus x. This is the equation. This is passing through 2, 0. If this is passing through 2, 0, y is 0, x is 2. So, 0 minus y equal to minus 1 by dy by dx into 2 minus x. So, minus minus I can cancel on both sides. Y dy by dx equal to 2 minus x. This is the differential equation. Now, when you get this equation, it is easy for you to simplify. Only thing, to draw this differential equation from the given question, that you should be familiar. This you will get only by practicing more problems and practicing more previous year's papers. So, let us solve this now. Y dy equal to 2 minus x dx. This is variable separable method. Integrating directly, y is y square by 2. Look at your options you have in terms of 2 minus x. So, integrate this as it is only, do not integrate separately. 2 minus x to the power minus 2 by minus 2, x to the power n formula, into derivative of this minus x minus 1 plus c. So, y square by 2 equal to 2 minus x. I am sorry, okay. It is plus 2 minus x whole square, 2 minus 1 plus c. Y square by 2 equal to minus of 2 minus x whole square plus c. We need to find out c. It is given that it passes through 2, 3. Substitute x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Y equal to 3, this is 9 by 2. X is 2, this becomes 0. So, c value is 9 by 2. So, your solution is y square by 2 equal to minus 2 minus x whole square plus c is 9 by 2. X square by 2. So, 2 minus x whole square by 2, derivative of this minus 1 plus c. You are substituting the value 2, 3. Then the equation of the curve is minus 2 minus x whole square by 2 plus 9 by 2. Or removing the 2, you can write this as plus 9. So, this is how you write the solution of the differential equation. Let y equal to f of x be the solution of the differential equation e to the power y into dy by dx minus 1 equal to e to the power x, such that y of 0 equal to 0. You have to find out the value of y of 1. Can you tell me under which type of differential equation this comes? Looking at this, if it is ey dy by dx minus ey equal to e to the power x, this is not of any type, standard type which you have learned. But by a simple substitution, if I put ey equal to t, this becomes e to the power y dy by dx equal to dt by dx. So, e to the power dy by dx is dt by dx minus e to the power y is t equal to e to the power x. So, this becomes a differential equation in t, linear differential equation in t. So, dt by dx, again here you can find out the integrating factor here and solve this equation. Now, look at this problem. Solution of the differential equation x dy minus y dx equal to 0 is. The problem is simple here, x dy minus y dx equal to 0, variable separable method equal to y dx. So, dy by y equal to dx by x. Integrating, you have log y equal to log x. I can take the constant as log c. So, you get y equal to cx as the solution. But look at your options here. You do not have anything of that type there in the options. So, here you should know what is the equation of the rectangular hyperbola. Do you know what is the equation of the rectangular hyperbola? Yes, it is xy equal to c square. And straight line passing through origin. If it is the straight line passing through origin with slope m, we can write it as y equal to mx. And parabola whose vertex is at origin, it could be y square equal to 4ax or x square equal to 4ay. And circle with center at origin, x square plus y square equal to r square, where r is the radius. Only when you know these, you can write your option. Now you have got y equal to cx. So, it is the straight line passing through origin. So, whenever you are solving, you know all the methods, you will be able to solve it directly. But only a slight caution when you are answering the questions, you should bear in mind and link up with all the coordinate geometry concepts also, because you have seen many in the circle, center of a circle was given, and again tangent equation, normal equation. So, all these link up when you are solving these differential equations. I hope you have understood the problem session, today's session, and I wish you all the best for your exams. Thank you.